I'm not making fun of you.
This is real.
Don't make fun of us. He said pocket size. Wow. You're probably murderer. Oh my goodness. I don't even wait.
No, I'm not the opposite. I'm literally the opposite of murderers.
Oh, you're the sheriff? Okay, protect us plushies.
Where are you so I can protect you, obviously, of course.
Watch one of them pull out the knife and get you first. Oh my god. Oh, that was you. Hold up. Oh my god, she's here too.
It's her.
It's not her. She would never
Dude,
kill
it's
us.
real Rosa.
Aw, so cute.
So very cute.
You see? She's innocent.
Who's the murderer?
Probably one of the fake humans.
I talked with real Rosa. Her name, they changed her name to Kim.
No way. No way. You put that.
Oh my
She's for
gosh.
the win.
You're the murderer.
No,
You're
I
the murderer.
would never do such a thing.
You don't kill the plushies, okay? Because it's your family, so like you don't kill them, right?
Yeah, I would never do such a thing. I would never do such a thing. Hello there, miss. No, don't you come back here. Are you serious?
Let's go! Oh my god, let's go!
How did she kill me? Ain't no way. Wait, no! There's another plushie.
Where? Oh my god!
She left?
That's so cute!
I cannot even know.
Dying.
He was Rose, I met her.
How cute we are. Wait, did you just say that? Guys, if you like plushies, I bet you
Oh
like
my
the video right now. Stay away. No. No. I don't trust you.
No, she played it not for a long time. Real Rosa left from every game. I guess I'm not reading her. Like, I'm not friending her. She didn't even accept the friend request yet. Wait. It's real. Real Rosa there? Oh my god. I'm gonna have to follow her. Wait, I have to follow her. I have to follow Real Rosa. Oh my gosh. So follow me to play with me. I'm gonna follow her then. I followed her to, oh my gosh, favorites. What? Roblox. I'm gonna join in this group. Let me get in. Not following the group. Yeah, come in here. I'm gonna join here. Yes. What is this? Rosa's rank? Oh. Can I see the members? Oh, nice. Rosa. Roses. Wow. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. We hope you liked the video and awesome. Thanks for watching. If you guys a big thumbs up, see you next video. Bye guys.